Hey, I'm coming at you with an eyelash tutorial today. There are so many different eyelash styles out there, so I am just going to show you the glue-on method with strip lashes. If there are alternative lashes that you would like to see me apply or review, please let me know in the comments down below. There are lots of different options to choose from. There's eyelash tabs, there's eyelash extensions from professionals, there's the magnetic lashes, there's also the aqua lash, and I think I want to do a review on that too. So let me know what you would like to see from me in the comments, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for bomb lashes, you're going to need your favorite pair of falsies, scissors, tweezers, and of course, eyelash glue. So my eyelash choice today is from Amy's Lashes. This is the style Walnut. These are what they look like. So you can see that they're really full, they're super dramatic, and these are completely synthetic. I will leave a link in the description if you want to get these. First things first, you're going to need to measure your eyelashes to your eye. So everyone's eye shape is different, so you're gonna notice that some people are gonna need to cut more off of their lashes than others. All right, so I have taken the lash out of the little book it comes in here, and I'm holding on to it with my tweezers kind of in the middle. So you can tell when it goes short to long, that's the eye side you want to put it on. I'm gonna move my bangs out of the way. Just so you can see. All right, right now I'm just measuring. So I'm gonna hold this up to my eye and see where I need to cut it. So I'm going to have the inner corner of the eyelash match the inner corner of my eye. And then whatever is on the outside of that is what I'm going to cut. So if I line this up with my eye, the inner corner and the inner corner matching up, you'll see there's a little bit too much length here. You always, always, always want to cut from the outside of the eyelash and not the inside, because they design the lashes so they go from short to long, so it blends and opens your eye up. If you cut from the inside, you're gonna find that you just randomly have long hairs that start inside, you know, in that inner corner, and it's not going to make sense. It's gonna look very unnatural, it's gonna look really weird, and you're gonna be like, ew, I hate false lashes. So let's not make that mistake. Okay, my eyelash is nice and cut. Going in with lash glue now. This is the Lash Duo. And the reason why I like this particular glue is it has a brush on it. So I can actually brush on the glue onto my eyelash instead of the kind that squeeze out. I mean, glue is glue, but I prefer this method because I can keep it nice and neat. And not all eyelash glues are created equal. Some really hurt when you go to take them off, but I've never had any trouble with Lash Duo. Another thing you want to think about with eyelash glue is the style of glue. So if you're using black glue, it's gonna come on black and be black, and it might be hard to notice when it's starting to dry. So if you're a beginner, I would maybe stick to clear glue because it goes on white and it starts to turn clear as it's drying. And that way you can tell better when to apply the false lash. And it's totally a personal preference if you prefer clear or black glue. I personally like clear glue better. It leaves me open for different looks that might not need heavy black or liner. Now that my eyelash glue is tacky, it's almost completely dry. So now that my glue is tacky, I'm just going to place it. I'm looking down at my hand palette, and I'm holding my lash up this way, and I'm just placing it on the lash line. Looking downward helps me keep it right on my lashes instead of up on my lid. And then I just make sure the inner and outer corners are connected. And you might have to fuss with it a little bit. The key here is to just make sure that it's tacky before you start. If it's too wet, the lash will slip, and you don't want that. And then I just close my eye and make sure it looks good. And ta-da! One lash done. All right, you guys, I hope that helped explain things a little bit better. Just remember to trim those lashes, use good lash glue, use quality lashes. I will leave Amy's lashes link in the description so you can check them out. Stalk me on social media. I have an Instagram, a TikTok, and a Facebook page that is all at Bear Campbell Beauty. So just don't forget to make sure that you're trimming your lashes from the outer corner. Try looking down at a mirror when you're applying them. I find that to be a lot easier. Wait until the glue is tacky. When it is wet, it will be so much more of a mess. So just be patient and try that and see if it works for you. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.